Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll just be doing a little mini vlog, you know, and here I am opening my anticipated baby gifts. I got one of these for my baby shower and the other one I bought. So I got the Nutribullet Baby as a gift at my baby shower, and I bought the steamer on Amazon. And let me tell you, the day I got these, I was so anticipated using it. I could not wait until the time came for me to use it, and the time is here, baby. So I'm excited. I'm ready to get creative in the kitchen. Yeah. So the white tray and the blue tray. I think one is a steamer and the other is a sterilizer. I think the blue one is a steamer, and the white one is like sterilizer. So I guess like if you want to sterilize like baby nipples, pacifiers, etc., you can use the steamer also. And onto the favorite, this little gadget here came with two different sets of storage cups, the silicone one and the hard one. I think it's like plastic, whatever. And one is for the freezer and one is for the refrigerator. And yeah, the base is so tiny. The little bowl, the blender bowl, yeah, this thing right here is so tiny. The little smiley face, they really made it like baby. Like just the smile on it just represents like a kid, you know. And I decided like I couldn't wait to use this thing. I was so excited, like I was patiently waiting on the time to use this. And how I really like already decided that I'm going to like get this stuff. I gotta put it on my registry. I got one and then bought the other one. I decided that, you know what, after seeing a TikTok video of a young lady opening a baby food, she took her nasty slimy stuff from out of the thing. I was like terrified. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna make my own baby food. Yeah, at least I'll know what is in it, you know. And that's how I decided that, okay, I'm gonna make my own baby food. So like you see, I'm looking at the little bottles. They're so tiny, so cute. And it comes with like a little tray to like hold them together. Yes, 6. So I guess like if you're giving baby food, like you introduce like every week. That's how I plan on doing, introducing like 2 different, like a fruit or a veggie, vegetable or and a fruit, 2 different vegetable and a fruit each week to see what how the baby reacts to it and how the baby likes it. Yeah. So now it's time to make the purees. So now I have my carrot here, about to cook, and I'm making the banana purees. Now, you know we gotta use the liquid gold instead of water. Or you can use baby formula, but I choose to use my breast milk. You know? And yeah, guys, comment down below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Worth a lot. Comment down below. Tell a friend to tell another friend to come subscribe to your girl's channel. You know, and let's get active in the comment section. Watch other video, guys. Share the video, etc. And let me know in the comment section if you guys have done this before, or if this is something that you guys are thinking about doing for your nieces, your nephews, future kids. You know, let me know what you guys think. You know, if you guys rather the pre-made baby food, or you know, you don't mind getting down in the kitchen and making it yourself. So now we're on to the avocado, the last puree for the night. And guess what? Breast milk finish. I didn't know that avocado needed so much milk, so I had to like stop and do a little pump break, pump some milk. Didn't even get that much. But yeah, whatever we got, we just made it work. So baby food is complete, and we made 3 different options: the carrot, the avocado, and the banana. Yeah, so we will see how baby girl likes it. And forget the way my voice sounds, I'm a little hoarse. Okay guys, so after I finished making the baby food, I decided to make some green season because I had some like green peppers, and so that I didn't want to go to waste, so I made some green season. And there's just something about making your own season that I really like. I don't like to like waste stuff, so yeah, I make my green season. If you guys need like a detailed video on how I make my season, comment down below and I'll have that ready for you guys. Okay, you see how rich and green my seasoning looks? That's the color that you want. So now guys, it's time to pack the refrigerator. And one thing about me, I love me a refrigerator that is well packed. You know, so when guests come over, they have something to drink. So this is me here, you know, organizing, and we're gonna go in and fill this thing up. Not exactly fill, but you know, put what we have in it. So that if we have guests, they have something to drink at least, right? Who wants to be over and you don't offer them at least a little bottle of water? I like my refrigerator stocked, man. Yeah. Especially like now, it's summertime and it's super hot. I know that when you're inside the house, you don't really feel the heat, but when you step outside, my goodness, the sun not normal. So I like to have, you know, cold beverages so that I could offer my guests, or even if somebody comes by the house to fix something, I could offer them something to drink, you know. So this is what I'm doing. I'm packing the fridge. Comment down below and let me know some of your favorite drinks. If you like to have drinks or just water or just water at home. I necessarily, some of the times I don't really drink the drinks. I drink the body armor most of all because they say that it helps with your breast milk supply, so I drink that. And I love me some good water, not cold but room temperature, but a lot of people like cold water, so I like to have at least 5 bottles or 6 in the refrigerator. So guys, now we're onto the next fridge, and this is where I keep like my blended seasoned vegetable and so forth. But one thing I don't like about this fridge is just big, no space. I don't like that. If you're gonna make a fridge big, at least make space on the inside, you know. Anyways, comment down below and let me know what you think about this big fridge with no space, because I don't like it, guys. And don't forget to like, share, you know, comment, subscribe to the channel, guys. It's the least you could do. It's free, so you know, subscribe. I really appreciate if you guys will subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend.